everyone! Today I'm going to be sharing a cute and fun fact. This bird looks like it wants to fight your soul. Meet the Shoebill Stork, part bird, part muppet, part silent assassin. It's 5 feet tall, barely blinks, and claps its beak like castanets when excited. Oh, and that death stare? It's not personal. That's just its face. Shoebills are super chill, but don't mess with them. They're expert hunters. So, would you hug it or slowly back away? Like and follow for more weird animals that look like cartoon villains.